guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bhanu, and if you're new, hi, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, which is free of cost, and your subscription and your support means a lot to me and it gives me so much strength and encouragement. So I'm going to plan to do a giveaway on when I hit 500 subscribers. So yeah, make sure please do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So today the video is going to be about a random Amazon haul which consists of lot of different items from makeup to different items. So yeah, without any further ado, let's see what I have bought. So I'm going to provide all the direct links in my description box so that if you would like to, please go and check it out and directly you can purchase the items if you would like. So yeah, let's get started and see what I have bought. So ये paper Christmas tree मैंने बनाया है. So इसको डेकोरेट करने के लिए मैंने ये छोटा balls लिया है decoration purpose के लिए. So yeah, the first product which I have purchased was this, and I will make sure I will give you the link in the description box. Okay. So first मैंने buy किया है ये cute सा Christmas decoration balls. ये है silver और red color में है. ये रिटेल करता है 199 रुपीज. 199 रुपीज में एक बॉक्स में आपको मिलेंगे 12 ऑफ दिस बॉल्स. उसमें 4 मैट है, 4 मैट शिमर शेड्स है एंड 4 शेड्स दिस ग्लासी स्टाइल में है. सो मैंने 2 बॉक्सेस लिए हैं. सो नेक्स्ट मैंने खरीदा है वाइन ग्लासेस. सो वाइन ग्लासेस आई जस्ट परचेज फॉर देम अराउंड 199 रुपीज फॉर 2 वाइन ग्लासेस एंड दे आर सुपर sturdy and this glass is not flimsy at all. This is a perfect nice glass material and I don't drink as a fact of truth because I didn't buy for drinks and all. I just purchased because I am a lover of wine glasses. I don't know why it fancies me. So I have purchased 2 of them. You can drink juices, any juices or cool drinks in these glasses. Even you can drink water. It is also New Year and Christmas season, so wine glasses तो बनता है. So yeah, I have purchased these wine glasses for 199 rupees for a pair of wine glasses. So these are my second product. So next product मैंने खरीदा है ये photo frame from Home Center. But know what? This frame came, the glass was broken. However, it retails for ₹99 and the shipping charges was extra. That is 75 rupees. Total it retails for around 175. I have purchased it for 175. I kept it because I throw the glass away. I will make sure I will give you the photo how it came. ये कैसा आया था मेरे पास, मैं यहाँ picture लगा दूँगी. So if you want you can buy, but the experience was literally bad. Even if you pay 175, you would like to get a product which fulfills your dream. But the frame was good and the texture and the frame was good, but the glass was broken, which is a little bit disheartened me. So this is the third product which I have purchased. So from Amazon next मैंने खरीदा है ये IKEA का fake planters. So they retail for rupees around 570 like that. The next product which I have purchased from the IKEA brand from Amazon. These are the fake plants which I have purchased. Let's open and see this. So they looks really beautiful. So for decoration purposes they are perfect, but the size of the product is literally too small. I thought they would be at least up to this, but they're so small. But however, I like the way they looks. Like I have purchased them. See guys, they look so beautiful. So yeah, let's keep it here. No, okay. They retail for around 570 around as a. So next I have purchased these natural makeup cotton pads, 800 pieces for women. So ये है प्लास्टिक का डब्बा, उसमें आपको मिलेंगे 800 pieces makeup removing cotton pads. They are cotton, but they looks like this. I will show you, just wait. So ऐसा वाला cotton pads है. So ये ज़्यादा तक चलेगा मेरे को. सो इसलिए मैंने ये ले लिया है. ये रिटेल फॉर ₹199. For $199 you are getting 800 pieces of makeup removal pads. So it's a big deal. It's from Miniso, so it's written Miniso Japan, and the expiry date is for 2022 तक है. इसमें expiry date का क्या करना? नहीं. So this is the next product which I have purchased from Amazon. So after this मैंने खरीदा है मेकअप ब्रशेस का सेट, जो एक स्टार्ट मेकर्स का मेकअप ब्रश किट लिया है मैंने. You will get them in this cute pouch. It's a peachy orangey pouch which have beautiful texture on it. So you will get a total of, I don't know how many brushes. Let's see. 16 pieces का makeup brush set है ये. It retails for MRP 2,100 rupees, but in Amazon I have purchased it for around 750 rupees, I think so. So I have got this 16 brushes. So in the start makeup kit you will get all the face makeup brushes and eye makeup brushes and a face mask brush to apply face mask. So this is how it looks like. It has a silicone which is made of silicone, and you will get a razor, eyebrow razor, and also you will get an eyebrow brush and a spoolie. So yeah, and you will also get a cute little fan brush, and the brushes are so smooth, and I will make a review on these makeup brushes, which I think they are super soft. I didn't try them yet, but by touching them I can feel that they are super soft and worth all the money. Pouch is really so spacious, so you can use it later for, if you want to keep the brushes inside, you can secure them inside, or you can also use it individually, smooth and soft. So this is the next product which I have purchased. So ज़्यादातर मैंने अब से मेकअप ही खरीदा है, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा. So पहले मैंने ये खरीदा है फेसेस कनाडा का वेटलेस स्टे मैट कॉम्पैक्ट SPF 50 with vitamin E and shea butter. 9 grams का मेकअप प्रोडक्ट है ये, and the expiry date from Amazon is for 2023 तक है. Manufactured recently. जब भी मैंने Amazon से मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदती हूँ कुछ डर सा लगा रहता है. So this is how the Faces Canada compact looks like. You will get a cute little mirror and Faces Canada compact, and you will get a sponge. So this retails for ₹150. So yeah, I have purchased this product, compact powder from Faces Canada. So next मैंने खरीदा है Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily SPF 22 foundation in the shade 128. Maybelline Fit Me का foundation, in simple Maybelline Fit Me का foundation in the tube form में मैंने खरीदा है. It retails for ₹199 around. So this is the next makeup product which I have purchased. So yeah, so as I said, I'm a lipstick lover. Last but not the least, I have grabbed a lipstick from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade dark wine. It's a dark purpley color. Let's see the swatch. So this is how the color looks like. I really like lipsticks so much, so I can't resist myself buying them. So this is the last product which I have purchased from my Amazon haul. So those are the products which I have purchased from Amazon. So if you would like to, I will make sure I will give you all the links in the description box. अगर आपको खरीदना है या फिर कुछ जानना है उस products के बारे में, मैंने direct links description box में दे दूँगी. Please do check them out if you would like to. So yeah, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do let me know your valuable opinions in the comment section, and also if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which means a lot to me and help me hit 500 subscribers soon. I will do a giveaway for you guys. And so yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.